Alright y'all, so we're about to get real pumpkin spicy fall inspired with this makeup look right here. Stay tuned and let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're going to go back into that melt palette that I used in my previous video, and we are going to take that nice yellowy shade, and that is going to be our transition color. That is going to be the color that kind of makes everything just blend really nicely, really smooth, and that's just giving us like that really, pumpkin-y effect, but without using orange. I definitely didn't want to do too much orange because I feel like that was very, very repetitive. That's the look that everybody's doing, so I'm like, let's play around with other fall colors. So now I'm going into kind of like this rustic brown. It kind of has like a little bit of an orange hue, but I believe it's more on the browner side, and I'm going to take that right underneath that transition color but slightly above my crease. Using a blending brush, just going back and forth. This brush is synthetic. And now I'm going to use a deeper, more warmer brown, and we're going to just kind of like richen it up a little bit. So we're going to go right over it and just warm up the whole look. And I don't know what I just looked at. So yeah, you're just going to keep going back and forth, just warming up the look. And you can kind of see like the little effect we got going on. You guys can see like the yellow, and you can see that rustic, orangey brown color. And yeah, we're looking real spicy. So yeah, just going to keep blending and blending. So now I'm going to take a deeper brown, like a matte brown. I'm going to put that in the outer corner, and I'm going to start to slowly smoke out the look. So I believe smoky eyes always give you that super glam, super nice type of vibe. So yeah, that's what I'm going with. Just taking my time, and I'm going to blend these colors out. Alright, so now I'm going to go into this like golden color. I did wet the brush with a little setting spray, and this is going to be my lid color. This is almost going to be like the star of the show. This is going to make the whole look pop, and this is going to give us that pizzazz that we're looking for. So just taking my time, going kind of almost in my crease a little bit just so you can really see the eye color, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids. Also, y'all, don't be afraid to go back in and kind of just blend in the smokiness, because you're going to kind of go over it. So you just want to make sure everything is nice and evenly distributed, everything is nice and diffused, and it looks well blended. So don't forget to go back and kind of like just blend it in a little bit, because you will kind of lose it. And as you see right now, I'm just going back in with that first transition shade, that yellow shade, just to kind of bring it back, because sometimes when you add all of these other shades, you do lose your color. So now we're going to go in with the LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in black, and we're just going to apply that to our waterline, giving us that really smoky. So as you guys can see right here, kind of I'm just going in with that brown color, or this is, yeah, it's like a brownish color, and I'm just going to smoke out underneath my bottom lash line just to give it that same like effect as the top and make sure everything blends. Now I'm taking it upon myself to add some MAC blush to the apples of my cheeks, just to give my face like a little bit of color. And isn't this such a pretty color? And don't mind my side of my face that was breaking out. Ugh, I hate when I get those breakouts. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some blush on to this face. And I'm going to highlight with the Lawless highlighter. I really do like this highlighter. It's actually really nice. It gives you a nice golden look, but it's not too over the top. And it also doesn't emphasize texture, which is another thing I like about the highlighter. So definitely, I would say try and pick up the Lawless highlighter. If you're like around my skin tone, a little bit lighter, it'll be such a good look for you. And we're just highlighting, honey. So now we're going to go in with our Patrick Starrr lip liner, and we're going to align our lips. Now this color, I'm going to be 100% honest with you, I was really on the fence for this look. I did want to use this color, but I was going to use it in like a more just like subtle everyday basic type of look, like maybe no shimmer eye, just all neutral skin tone. But I took it upon myself to go in with the lip liner and the lipstick for this look, and I love it. To me, it screams fall. It screams like super festive, super pumpkin spicy. I will say the only thing is you do kind of have to layer the lipstick on, but other than that, it's super beautiful. It has like a nice velvety finish. And as you see right here, I'm just going back in with my lip liner, just touching it up, making sure that it looks extremely vibrant, which it definitely does. And yeah, that is it, you guys. That is my look too. I kind of broke it. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one, and comment which videos you want to see from me.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause